Namaste Green Wave, it's Miss Amy. And today we are on a virtual field trip to my backyard garden where we're gonna notice where some of the essential oils that I got from the Young Living Company that the actual plant grows in my garden. So the first essential oil that I'm gonna share with you is the basil essential oil, and this is the basil plant. This is where the essential oil comes from, and when the plants are sent to the factory, they're part of a process called distillation, where the oils come out of the plant, and then it gets put in that little bottle, and then it gets shipped out. So there's a whole process to making essential oils, but this is where the basil plant comes from. Then we have over here the peppermint plant, so the essential oil peppermint. And you can see this is where they come from. You might notice little, bite marks from birds or bugs that also like to chew on the plant, so that is peppermint. And then if we mindfully walk over here, I also grow chocolate mint. So this is just like mint chocolate chip ice cream. And I wish we could smell and taste over technology, but that is just like mint chocolate chip because it's mint chocolate herbs. And then as we mindfully walk over here, we will notice the parsley plant, and parsley is also an essential oil. You might find parsley in tomato sauce or on pizza or any Italian dishes. And then we're gonna mindfully walk over here. Here's some more basil being grown. And over here we have the dill essential oil. It comes from the dill plant. So you might be familiar with dill from dill pickles. So right in my backyard, I grow similar plants to the essential oils, and they're also grown in our greenhouse. So over here, as we carefully walk through all the vegetation, we'll notice it here in the grape hut. Again, what do you notice? What do you see from these grapes? But over here is a recycled greenhouse that my dad made, and the herbs are also grown here. So here is a basil plant, and then back here are some more basil and parsley. So there's a thermometer back here because it got up to 100 degrees to keep the plants warm during the winter season. So these plants didn't just grow starting in the summertime. They started in this recycled homemade greenhouse right here among the grapevine. So you may be familiar with these different herbs. Again, they're healthy for our body, healthy for our mind, because health is wealth.